See how the Lab AI event winners use the Codestral technology by Mixtral AI to push the limits of coding, refactoring, and knowledge discovery.
First place, Codebase Buddy ensures privacy with local deployment while transforming Codebase onboarding with AI-driven semantic code search. It's your new secret weapon for faster, smarter coding.
Second place, Refactor Genie is your AI-powered refactoring assistant, making code cleanup and optimization a breeze. Say goodbye to tedious manual reviews and hello to smart, automated refactoring.
Third place, CodeBlast Dreamcatcher redefines knowledge discovery by navigating AI-driven multidimensional spaces. It's a strategic advantage for businesses looking to stay ahead in AI innovation.
Are you ready to join the ranks of top AI builders? Your journey begins with Lab AI, where imagination and AI merge to solve real-world challenges.